My name is Dipankar. I am strength and conditioning coach and also I am certified personal trainer. And आज मेरे साथ है प्रिया बंसल. She is also an Indian rugby player and also she is also a fitness trainer. So आज हम बात करने वाले हैं core training के बारे में. So why is important for core training to do all the times core training? Like it's very important. Like day to day life में जो भी हम diet वगैरह लेते हैं like पूरे दिन में it's not good. Like जो हम almost 70% diet अच्छी लेती है but like 100% नहीं हो पाता हमसे. तो it's very important to work on your core strength. So the first we'll be doing the warm up. That one is arm rotation. Yes. So how it looks, first you'll keep your both arms in the line of the shoulder and rotate forward now 5 times. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And now back side. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. This will mobilize your shoulder and also arms. So the second one we have that is arm extension. So how it looks, just bend your arms and just press it down. थोड़ा सा press करना है, like 5 seconds hold करो and then 5 seconds again switch to other side. Now again right hand side and then switch to other side. So we are done with the 2 warm up and the third one we have external hip rotation. So it's gonna mobilize your hip joint and also for your glutes movement. So how it looks from here, just will rotate to the external side and then inward. Again rotate to the external side and inward. Now switch to the side, external, inward, external, inward. So we are done with the third warm up. The fourth one we have that is hip openers. Again it's gonna mobilize your hip joint. So first you're gonna sit down on the floor. Now place your palm back and take your stance wider than your shoulder, right? Now from here drop your both knees to the one side and then switch to other side. Again one side and then switch to other side. अगर आपको बहुत ज़्यादा इसको एडवांस बनाना है, keep your both palms off the ground and you can use. One more time. And done. We are done with the fourth warm up. The fifth one we have that is glute bridges. So how it looks, first you're gonna lie down on the floor, bend your both legs, place your palm on the ground, hips down. Now from here raise your hip up, hold for 10 seconds up and then down. Now again up, exhale and down, hold for 3 seconds up, exhale and down. Last one, up and down, legs. So we are done with the warm-up round now. So we'll be starting the main round now. The first one we have that is crunches. It's gonna target on your upper fiber of your abs. It will be targeting on your abs muscle. So how it looks, first you're gonna lie down on the floor. Now bend your both legs and now keep your both palms on your head and just go for the crunches now. Up, exhale it, down, inhale. Up, exhale, contract your muscle, down, inhale. Just now move it up, exhale, down, inhale. Up, exhale, down, inhale. Up, exhale, down, inhale. And we are done with the first one. And the second one we have now seizures. So how it looks, so first you're gonna lie down on the floor, place your palm on the ground. Now straight your both legs, shoulder off the ground and cross your leg one by one now. Every time you switch your leg, you're gonna exhale it. Last 1, 2 and 3, stop. So we are done with the second one also. Now the third one we have bicycle crunches targeting on your obliques muscle. So how it looks, again you're gonna lie down, bend your both legs in a 90 degree, keep your both palms on your head. Now extend your right leg, now try to touch your elbow to the opposite knees. Keep moving like this. So every time you switch your leg, you're gonna exhale it. Last 3, 2, 1 and stop. And done with the third one. The fourth one we have that is Russian twist. Again it's gonna target on your obliques muscle. So from here you're gonna sit down, just legs off the ground. Now just you'll take any of the weight or you can go without weight. Just you're gonna move your torso right side to left hand side. Again right side to left hand side. right side to left hand side. Last 3, 2, 1 and stop. So we are done with the fourth one also, and the last one we have, that is plank. It's gonna target on your full body and also main focusing on the core also, and also we have that is isolation movement. So how it looks, first you will be coming up on your elbow and the shoulder in the one line. Now straight your legs, now body should be off the ground and hold here and slightly you're gonna look forward. Now you're gonna hold. Last 5, 4, 3, 2, 1 and stop. So we are done with the core exercise today. So we have done almost 5 warm-up and almost 5 main movement. So try to go for the core movement. जो भी मैंने आज दिखाए हुए, it is very good for your core movement and also it will increase your core power. And like हम day to day life में जो मैंने बताया था पहले कि like इतनी डाइट अच्छी मेंटेन नहीं हो पाती, so try to go for the core exercise. जितना आप करोगे, it will be good for your health also and it will increase your core power also.
Like, share, subscribe for more such informative videos.